So it's time to glaze the cake. We have this product by Urca called Choco Smart. It's pretty much a pre-made ganache. It's very, very good and a really cool product, so I wanted to show you. I just scooped a little bit out into this pint container. You don't want it over 90 degrees because you'll end up melting your product. So once I melt this, I'm gonna glaze and then I'll show you what else. So this is the ganache after just 30 seconds in the microwave. It does not need a lot of time. You can still burn this because it does have chocolate in it. So I'm gonna stir it. And I'm probably just gonna put it maybe for 30 more seconds. It's better to be under than over because then you'll have to wait to cool it off, or you'd have to add more to drop the temperature. All right, so here's after just another 30 seconds. You can see it's completely liquid. This is when you check the temperature to see if it's okay to glaze. But first, I wanted to show you the ring mold. Remember, we put this cake together. So if I take the ring mold off, it comes straight off because you put that acetate. That's the main importance of acetate. Then all you do is just peel your acetate off when you're ready. Because again, if it's too hot, it's gonna melt your mousse. Okay, so it's at 108. So that was just 1 minute, 30 seconds and 30 seconds, and it's at 108. And you really want this around like 90, or else it'll just like kind of melt through or melt all the way down. If you want it to set right, you won't need to drop the temperature. So I'm just gonna add a little more of the ganache, kind of like tempering to drop this temperature. Now you want your cake frozen. If it's just refrigerated, you would need to probably drop this temperature even more. So a lot of people are doing the drip. A lot of people sit there and they pipe, you know, to get it exact, but I just pour a nice amount in the middle here. You see that did not take a lot. And then you have a straight spatula. That's what these are for. And you just spin your spatula until you get it to the edges and let it drip. If you want to cover the whole cake, you can do that too. But I just like a little drip. Yes, there's all this stuff here, but you would clean that off. This is on a piece of cardboard, so I'm going to take it off the cardboard and I'll put it on a really pretty, probably sturdy board as presentation. I'm going to transfer the keiki to a smaller board on its platter. That way now you can pipe your border. So another cool thing about this Choco Smart is you can whip it as well. So you can melt it if you just want it to be that smooth glaze. You can fill bonbons with it, anything you like that you would normally do with a ganache, or you can whip it. So I'm putting it in here really quick so you can see, because I wanted to finish garnishing this cake with the whipped ganache. Like a buttercreamy consistency doing its whipped ganache. So that way it just gives you a different texture and a different look for your cake. But again, you didn't have to make anything. And it's a consistent product. So if you have someone in the kitchen that you cannot count on to make you consistent products, this is already pre-made. Good to go. Multiple applications. You can get donuts in it. You can make bonbons. You can do a whipped ganache filling. Do a regular poured ganache filling. It's good. It's magical goodness. So you have different options for decorating. Again, this is all just up to you and your style. Okay, so let's play around and see what we want to do here. And do you see how that looks just like buttercream? It's crazy. And it'll set firm, so this is really good to crumb coat your cakes with as well. I always like to do cross center so I make sure everything's even. So I'm just going to do little rosettes, and I'll probably do a couple more. And I think I'm going to do a little guy in the middle just to put my plaque, because I'm so excited about our new plaques. And I will turn this around and show you as soon as I am done. We also have these really cute little garnishes. They're little chocolate pumpkins, chocolate pine cones. I like to stagger And look how quick and easy that is. To learn more pastry tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what else you would like to learn.